What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Keeping Up with PMP. That's me. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, what it do, boo?
I see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you.
As y'all can tell by the title, this is a wash day, but really not a wash day because I washed my hair. What's today? Friday. I washed my hair, I want to say Wednesday, maybe Tuesday or whatever. And I was originally like not going to do anything to my hair, but then I forgot that this weekend, tomorrow I'm going to a birthday party. I realized it's a way I want to do my hair, so I'm going to have to flat iron it. But I'm not going to do nothing but condition it with this moisturizing and anti-breakage conditioner or whatever, and not really wash it because my hair isn't really dirty because I just washed it. So I'm not gonna do that, but I'm just gonna use this conditioner. Y'all gonna see me wash my hair, dry my hair, and probably show y'all me styling my hair, like just showing y'all how I want to do it. And it'll probably be like a little chit chat video too. I don't know, we gonna see.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I leave all my favorites.
Okay, y'all, so I got one on the camera. But I got this detangle brush, and this is my little sister brush, and I'm just gonna tangle it out. I really should be in the bathroom, but I feel like even though it's like 2 feet away, I'm just gonna detangle my hair with this. I love this thing too.
We lost this shit, got on my course to get alone night. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit. Ooh, baby, heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta give the most in the first of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me on your baby. You don't care. I'm trying to read the news, this is urgent. Makes sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. Let go, he was holding me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm done. As y'all can see, I don't really like put this towel on my hair. I just use it to catch the water. But now I'm about to go upstairs in our bathroom upstairs and blow dry my hair. So yeah. Okay, so what you call it? Ooh, I'm so damn short. This is anyway. Okay. This.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage.
Okay, y'all, I look crazy. My face look ashy. I'm done blowing my hair, so I'm about to go in my room and get to it. So whatever, I think I'm gonna get in the shower in the morning. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just tired. One of my friends asked me that I want to come to this thing, but y'all, in all honesty, like, I honestly don't even, like, I don't know, I just don't want to be around people or whatever. Like, I think I'm just still in that phase where I just, you know, I just want to be alone. And of course, I know I'm going to have to get out of this, phase or whatever that I'm in, but I don't know, like, I don't want to get out of this phase like right now, you know? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put a picture of the screen of like what well, honestly, I think I'm gonna just wait to show y'all that, but okay, y'all, today is the next day, and I am gonna show y'all how to do, okay, y'all, so I just took my scarves off, and now, I don't know what y'all, and don't mind, I'm supposed to have lashes on, but the lash glue, not the lash glue, but the hair glue, because that's what I used to put on the lashes, clearly just fucking, I don't have it, and yeah. But I'm gonna put some more on my mascara on, because I'm not going, but mascara don't be mascara-ring for me.
Pull up when I call, all the hood niggas respect me. Strippers wanna sex me. You left on me, now we mad because you let me low.
Don't like, hate when lip gloss get on my damn,
I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I would run up.
But for this part, I'm finna run some. I be hating, like, when I wrap my hair, it be that one part. It's just giving me stiff. I be hating that, the one part where, I don't know, is it because, I don't know, but it just never fails. Okay, so, we tucking this behind the ear. We're gonna leave this. We're gonna leave that out. Okay, cool. Now, for this, for this part, I'm really just pressing it. And one, I'm gonna make sure I got some hair out right here. Damn. I'm gonna tuck that, but I'm gonna bobby pin too, though. I'm trying to see, because I feel like when I was doing it yesterday, it was like a little more. Give the girls a little bump. Somebody give the girls a little bump. Yeah, I don't know. Let me see what it's giving. I just need the go to y'all, what you call it, and see what's given. Y'all know how y'all gotta wipe your camera first for you look to see.
I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hit.
So, this one goes. My sister said it looked cute in ponytail though. I tried it out yesterday. So clearly, I didn't go with the original plan because I just wasn't liking the way it was looking. But you can turn it and flip it into a natural ponytail. All me, baby. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, I think I'm gonna change it to how to do a natural side ponytail on your natural hair, because that's what I just did. But I'm about to put what's that? I need a bobby pin. I don't need one of my little bobby pins. Y'all, I am so pretty. Y'all should just be telling y'all something. I'm really so pretty. For sure. I got this bobby pin right here. You can see it slightly. It should. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So, I would usually wrap some hair around that, especially like if I was doing my top. I usually do like wrap it around, like, but especially like when I'm doing my top bun, not my top bun, but like my bun, not my bun, like my half up, half down. Why I couldn't get that out? But this is the hair, y'all. Natural side part ponytail on your natural hair. How I did it. Y'all see in the thing, this is what I wasn't originally supposed to do, but I did it anyway, so that's it. Now I'm gonna go back to my other video that I was recording. So that's the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how y'all like how I style my hair, style my natural hair, giving the girls inches, giving the girls bad bitch, giving the girls not with no little fucking lashes on there. But yeah, this is all me, y'all, all my hair. So yeah, so let me know what y'all think in the comments. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And it's your girl P, and I'm out.